Hello everyone, the drain pipe in the bathroom has been leaking. What should we do in such a situation? If we replace the drain head, it will be very troublesome. So today, I will teach you a trick that can easily repair it without replacing the drain head. We plumbers often use this method. First, turn off the tap water upstairs and don't let it flow. Only when there is no water can it be repaired. You see, after turning it off, wipe it clean. Don't let it have water. Be sure to wipe it dry. At this time, we apply a layer of PVC glue. Then you see, wrap this plastic bag like this. Apply a layer of glue for each layer. We have to wrap it 4, 5, or 6 layers. Cut the rope and apply another layer of glue. See? This way it's done. After a few minutes, use water and it won't leak. This method is very practical. Okay, I'll share this with you. I hope it can help you. Thank you for watching. Bye.